a customer came in with this incredible vintage wedding gown that her niece is hoping to wear. The dress was first worn by her mother in 1953, and then again by her aunt in 1958. Now, regrettably, the dress wasn't properly cleaned before being stored, and now it's badly stained and discolored, and the customer wants to know if it can be saved. So we start with a detailed inspection, and our biggest concern is the perspiration stains under the armpits. So we begin by soaking the dress in an oxidizing bleach bath. Now, this process adds oxygen to the fabric, which reverses the yellowing. It's also very effective on perspiration stains. Now, unfortunately, due to the amount of time that the sweat and deodorant were left untreated, it weakened the lace under the arms and it began to split. Now, the process of saving the dress just became a little bit more difficult, but don't worry, we've got a plan. And luckily, the damage is minimal. Our tailor trims away the rotten fabric and the loose strings, and then she painstakingly hand stitches the lace back together. Now, the good thing about lace is because of its nature, it's easy to hide seams and repairs, and she is careful to leave the stitching a little loose to allow for movement while being worn to help protect the delicate lace. Now that the dress has been repaired, it's time for finishing. Garrison is one of our wedding dress experts, and he starts by steaming the innermost layer of the dress to remove the wrinkles. He hand irons each layer, paying close attention to every single small detail. It's important for seams to lay flat so that they become invisible while being worn. And after almost an hour of hard work, the finishing process is complete. The transformation is stunning. In comparing the before and after, it's easy to see the difference. We brightened the dress by removing the yellow oxidation. The armpit stains were removed and the fragile lace was repaired and reinforced. This heirloom dress is once again ready to be worn for the next chapter in their family story.